This pumpkin pie is literally the best. It's got the right level of spice, perfect amount of sweetness, and the pastry is to die for. This will be an absolute showstopper for you guys during your Thanksgiving meal. Let's start with the base of the pie. So what you'll need is 225 grams of just plain flour. That's about 8 ounces. You will also need half a teaspoon of salt. Make sure to mix the salt in evenly with the flour. I'm putting it into the mixer already because I don't have enough room to weigh the butter. But you will also need 100 grams of chilled vegan butter, and that's about 4 ounces. Then you simply put the butter in with the flour and salt, and then give it a mix in your mixer. After giving it a bit of a mix, it should look a bit like this, where the butter is sort of mixed in with the flour and salt. Then what you want to do is add about 2 ounces of water, which is about 50 mils. And then you want to mix it again until it becomes more like a dough consistency, just like you can see here. Then all you do is simply get some cling film and put it into the fridge. So while the dough is in the fridge, you can start preparing the actual pumpkin mix, which is actually going to go into the pie. So what you'll need is 1 can of pumpkin, 1 cup of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin pie spice, and in the UK this is called mixed spice, 3 tablespoons of organic cornstarch, and 1/3 of a cup of maple syrup. Maple syrup is going to give it an awesome sweet flavour. Then all you do is put all the ingredients into a mixing bowl. And then you just keep whisking it until it becomes a more thick consistency and starts looking a bit like the filling of how a pumpkin pie should look like. Nice orange colour and a nice thick consistency. Should be as thick as you can see here. Once you've made the filling, all you need to do is take out your dough, your pastry base, and then get a rolling pin and start rolling it out. You want to get it quite thin, I'd say about maybe 1 to 2 centimeters. And then all you do is you get your pie tray and put the pastry into the pie tray to give it the shape. So yeah, once you've got the shape, make sure you get a fork and put some holes in the pastry. And then what I did was I got some tin foil, wrapped it around the pastry and added some weighted balls. And then you simply put it in the oven, 200 degrees on the fan. Leave it for about 20 minutes. It should look a nice sort of golden brown. Then you simply pour your filling into the pastry base. Looks so good. Make sure you get all that goodness out of the bowl and make sure the filling is evenly spread around the pie. Then you simply put it in the oven, 200 degrees on the fan, and it comes out looking like this. A beautiful rich colour. Then you leave it to cool and then just dig in. Thanks for watching, hit the like button and subscribe.